Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best Hydro Flask Insulated lunchbox available on the market. If you're someone who values keeping your lunch fresh, chilled, and easily portable, this is the lunch bag you've been waiting for. The Hydro Flask lunch bag is designed with a perfect blend of style and functionality. It features a lightweight insulated design that keeps your food fresh for hours, especially when paired with an ice pack. Whether you're packing a sandwich, snacks, or fruit, this bag ensures your meal stays at the ideal temperature until you're ready to eat. What truly sets this lunch bag apart is its durable construction. The main body is crafted from 100% recycled polyester with a special coating that makes it both abrasion-resistant and water-resistant. This means it's built to handle everyday wear and tear, whether you're commuting, heading to the office, or going on a picnic. Inside, you'll find a fully lined interior with welded seams, which makes cleaning a breeze. No more worrying about stains or lingering smells after a day of use. The interior design not only enhances hygiene but also helps maintain the insulated environment to keep your food fresh longer. The Hydro Flask lunch bag is thoughtfully sized, available in 5 and 8-liter capacities, making it versatile for different needs. Whether you want a compact bag for a quick lunch or something larger to hold multiple containers, Hydro Flask has you covered. Carrying this lunch bag is effortless thanks to the quick grab handles, which offer convenience on the go. It's lightweight and compact enough to easily fit into backpacks or carry by hand without any hassle. Another notable feature is the brand's commitment to non-toxic and BPA-free materials. This assures you that your food is safe and uncontaminated, aligning with Hydro Flask's reputation for quality and health-conscious products. If you use Hydro Flask bottles or food jars, this lunch bag is perfectly sized to complement them, providing a cohesive and stylish way to carry your entire meal. This synergy between products makes it an excellent choice for anyone already invested in the Hydro Flask ecosystem. Overall, the Hydro Flask Insulated lunch bag is a smart investment for anyone who wants a reliable, durable, and eco-friendly lunch carrier that keeps food fresh and is easy to clean. With a 5-year warranty backing its quality, this lunch bag is designed to be with you through countless meals. That wraps up our review of the best Hydro Flask Insulated lunchbox. If you want a lunch bag that combines style, durability, and functionality, this one's a standout. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.